Hi, this is Evan Roush out here at Gym City Ford Lincoln in Quincy, Illinois. Here behind me, I have this 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, and we're getting ready to do a walk around on it. Here we go. Again, here is the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Limited Rubicon. Super clean, only 88,000 miles on it. Got this nice front bumper right up here. And not to start off the video, but I do want to show you the only flaw I can see on it is just a little bit of paint peeling here on the grill. That's the only flaw I can come across on this super nice Wrangler. Big old Toyo tires. Great tread still left on them. Really helps set this Wrangler off. I know the sun's kind of affecting the quality of the video, but the paint and everything, the running boards, super nice running boards on this. Nice American flag tailgates, taillight covers. You can see the paint a little bit better on this side, but super good looking on the outside. Take a look at the back here. It's got a little tow hitch, tow hook, nice cargo protector back here, little subwoofer, Alpine. Take a look at the second row here. Got these nice all-weather floor mats, rubberized. Second row is in great condition. Speakers from the headboard. Easy removable top. All right, on the driver's side here, driver's seat is in excellent condition, along with the passenger side. Hopping in here, touchscreen monitor, get climate control, driver's heated seat, traction control, downhill descent, emergency lights, passenger heated seat, but super clean here. All right, everyone, wrapping up this walk around on this super nice 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. 88,000 miles, just have it priced under $30,000. I'll put some detailed notes in below. Make sure you hit like and subscribe on video. Let me know if you have any questions.